Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the hardware and permissions are ready. Plug a high-quality USB cable into the car and your Android phone. This establishes data and power. Turn on Bluetooth and location on the phone and open the Android Auto app to accept prompts. Make sure the head unit is in the correct input or pairing mode. Many units show an Android Auto or Carplay icon. Once connected, the system negotiates which interface to run. This prevents conflicts and speeds up pairing. Now complete the actual handshakes. On the car screen, select Android Auto. Your phone should show a pairing request. Tap Allow for permissions and confirm the pairing code if prompted. If using wireless Android Auto, turn on the car's Wi-Fi or follow the head unit's Bluetooth pairing flow, then enable wireless projection in the Android Auto app. Make sure you accept mic and message permissions so voice and notifications work correctly. Without them, navigation and calling will be limited. Finish by verifying functionality. Open Maps, play audio, and ask Google Assistant a command to confirm voice control. If the connection fails, first unplug and replug the cable, then reboot your phone. This resolves most glitches. Try a known good USB cable or a different USB port, and confirm the Android Auto app and your car's firmware are up to date. If nothing works, consult the car manual or dealer. Factory resets can help but lose settings, so use them as a final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.